I see you watching, John. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Key highlights: cash home buyers in California offer a swift and convenient way to sell your property, eliminating the need for traditional real estate agent listings. These companies and investors purchase homes directly, often with cash offers, simplifying the process and accelerating the closing timeline. While offering benefits such as quick sales and no requirement for repairs, cash home buyers may present lower offers compared to the open market value. It's essential to carefully evaluate the terms, research different cash home buyers, and compare their offers and services before committing. Understanding your home's market value, securing a fair cash offer, and considering legal aspects are vital steps in ensuring a satisfactory transaction. I need to sell my house fast? Sell cash now. We buy house in any condition in California. There are no commissions or fees and no obligation whatsoever. Start below by giving us a bit of information about your property or call 209-691-0102. Introduction: in the changing California real estate market, cash home buyers have become a key option. These buyers, either companies or individuals, can speed up the sale of homes. They do this by buying properties directly. This way, sellers can avoid the hassles of using traditional real estate agents and going through mortgage approvals. However, this method has both benefits and drawbacks for sellers looking for a quick and easy sale. Understanding Click Cash Home Buyers in California. Navigating cash home buyers in California needs some understanding of how they work and why they do what they do. These buyers focus on helping homeowners sell their homes quickly and without stress. This is different from traditional ways, which need a real estate agent and deal with the risks of the open market. Cash home buyers provide a faster and clearer option. They don't require bank financing or appraisals, which lets them finish transactions quicker. This is especially attractive for sellers who need to move fast, like for relocation, financial reasons, or settling an inheritance. But remember, this speed may come with some trade-offs that you should think about carefully. What are cash home buyers? In real estate investment, a cash buyer in California is someone or a company that can buy a property without using a mortgage loan. They have the money ready, which helps them make quick offers and speeds up the buying process. The reasons for being a cash buyer in California differ. Some are experienced real estate investors who want to grow their collections with rental homes or properties they can fix up and sell for money. Others focus on buying homes that are in trouble, like those in foreclosure, or that need lots of repairs. For homeowners in California who want to sell quickly and easily, cash buyers can be a good choice when compared to the longer, uncertain way of selling traditionally. Still, it is important to know the details of working with cash buyers and to think about the good and bad sides before proceeding. How do cash home buying processes work? The process usually starts when a homeowner contacts a cash home buying company or investor. They ask for details about the property, like its location, age, condition, and any liens or mortgages. After getting this basic information, the cash buyer will analyze it. They might also want to visit the property to check its current state. If the property meets their investment needs, they will offer the homeowner a cash offer. When the homeowner agrees to the cash offer, both sides sign a legal contract. Then, the process moves to closing. A title company or escrow agent will manage everything. They make sure all the paperwork is correct and the ownership transfer is legal. Top cash home buyers. In California has a tough real estate market. This has led to many cash home buying companies. Each company has its own strengths, areas of focus, and reach. It's important for homeowners to understand these companies. This helps them find the best fit for their needs and situations. Some cash home buyers work across the country. They have large networks and quick processes. Others concentrate on certain areas in California. They provide local knowledge and customized services. When picking a cash home buyer, you should check their reputation, experience, prices they offer, and reviews from other customers. This will ensure you have a safe and trustworthy deal. Popular companies and their offers. Among the notable names in the California cash home buying landscape are established players like Homevestors of America, known for their "We Buy Ugly Houses" slogan, and iBuyers like Opendoor and OfferPad, which leverage technology and their years of experience to expedite the process. Additionally, a growing number of local real estate investors actively participate in the market. providing homeowners with diverse options. Each company comes with its own set of advantages and potential drawbacks. Homevestors, for instance, specializes in purchasing homes in any condition, relieving sellers of the burden of repairs, while iBuyers often target properties in good condition with the intention of reselling them quickly. Local real estate investors and house flippers, on the other hand, might offer personalized services and a keener understanding of regional market dynamics. To illustrate the differences in offers, consider this simplified table comparing services and rates. When you look at cash home buyers, it's important to check their service fees, average offers, and customer reviews. Don't just focus on the first cash offer. Take a good look at their fee structure. This may include service charges, closing costs, or costs for repairs. A higher cash offer doesn't always mean it's the best deal. A company with lower fees or that is open to negotiating on repairs could end up giving you a higher final sale price, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. Reading online reviews and testimonials from past sellers can give you helpful information about their experiences with different cash home buyers. In the end, choosing the right cash home buyer depends on your situation, what's important to you, and the state of your property. Carefully checking their services, fees, and reputation will help you make a decision that fits your goals and ensures an easy process. Benefits of selling your home for cash. Selling your California home for cash is a great option if you want speed, ease, and certainty. One of the biggest benefits is how fast you can close. Cash buyers can finish deals in just days or weeks since they do not need traditional financing. This quick process is a huge relief for sellers who need to sell fast or who want to move on quickly to a new place. Plus, selling for cash gets rid of the worries and holdups that often come with mortgage approvals, appraisals, and financing issues. Quick sales process. The charm of a quick sale is clear, and cash home buyers are great at this. They remove the tricky parts of traditional financing, which allows you to receive a fair offer quickly. This makes the process much faster than usual ways of selling. In a regular sale, getting mortgage approval can take weeks or even months. Cash buyers come with money ready, which helps them close deals quickly. This speed is very helpful for sellers who need to sell fast, like those moving for work or needing cash fast. Also, not having financing issues removes a big worry. In traditional sales, if a buyer's financing fails at the last minute, it can mess up the whole deal. With a cash buyer, once the offer is accepted, it is much more likely for the deal to go smoothly to closing without issues. No need for home repairs or renovations. Selling a home the traditional way often means spending a lot of money on repairs and renovations. Buyers want homes that are ready to move in, which makes sellers feel pressure to fix any issues before putting their homes on the market. This can lead to high costs and take up a lot of time. Cash buyers, especially those who focus on distressed properties, usually buy homes as they are. They include the cost of repairs in their offers. This helps sellers avoid the stress and expense of making fixes. It's a big advantage for those who do not have time, money, or desire to improve their homes before selling. Also, selling a home as is makes the process easier for your home sale. Sellers do not have to manage contractors, worry about construction schedules, or stress about home inspections. This simple approach lets them concentrate on moving on to their next chapter without the extra worry of getting their property ready for listing. Challenges with cash home buyers. Cash home buyers can provide benefits like quick sales and easy processes. However, it is important to be aware of some challenges. One main issue is that you might get lower offers than what your home could sell for in the open market. Cash buyers often work for profit. Their offers usually show their investment plans, which include costs for repairs, holding expenses, and profit goals. Because of this, their first offer may be less than what you could get with a regular listing. Potential for lower offers. Navigating cash home buyers means understanding that their offers might not match the highest price a property could sell for in the market. Cash buyers focus on making a profit and often base their offers on the estimated value of the home they intend to buy. They consider their investment goals, taking into account repair costs, holding costs, and their desired profit. However, these offers are not final. Homeowners can make counteroffers, negotiate terms, or look for different cash buyers to get a fair market value. Getting advice from a real estate agent or doing research on similar property sales can help homeowners make better choices. Open communication is important during this process. Knowing the local real estate market well and having clear expectations can help reach an agreement that offers both the ease of a cash sale and a fair price. Importance of understanding market value. Before you talk to cash home buyers, it's important to know your property's market value. This information helps you see if the offers are fair and make good choices. Speaking with a local real estate broker for a comparative market analysis, CMA, can give you helpful insights. A CMA looks at similar properties sold in your area, what's going on in the market right now, and specific features of your property to find its value. You could also get an independent appraisal from a certified expert. This is a more formal way to assess how much your home is worth, which can help when you negotiate. By knowing the true worth of your home, you can decide if a cash buyer's offer meets your needs or if you should look for other options. This knowledge keeps your financial interests safe and helps ensure you don't sell your property for less than it's worth. Legal considerations when dealing with cash buyers. While the idea of a quick cash sale can be appealing, you need to be careful with these deals. Most cash home buyers are honest, but you should still protect yourself by paying attention to the details. Before you sign any papers, make sure to go over all contracts and disclosures with a good real estate lawyer. They can help explain sections, spot any issues, and make sure the terms are fair and legal. Necessary legal checks and balances. Hiring a real estate attorney when you work with a cash home buyer is important. They protect your interests during the whole process. Your attorney will carefully check the purchase agreement. They will find any terms that are unusual or may have risks. They will explain details about closing costs, contingencies, and timelines. This way, you will understand your rights and responsibilities. Your attorney will also manage the escrow process. They will make sure all money is handled safely and given out correctly. They will look closely at the title report, checking for any liens or issues that could affect your ownership rights. Avoiding fraudulent deals. While many cash home buying deals are real, homeowners, especially those new to this, should be careful about fraud. Scammers often go after sellers who need to sell quickly or are having a hard time. To lower the chances of being scammed, do your homework first. Check out the cash buyer's reputation by looking at their business details, reading online reviews, and asking trusted sources like real estate agents or lawyers for advice. Also, be careful about upfront fees or requests for personal money details. Real cash home buyers usually do not ask for payment before closing. If an offer looks too good to be true or feels off, listen to your gut and get expert help before moving forward. Real-life experiences with cash home buyers in California. Many California homeowners have stories about selling their homes for cash. These real-life experiences provide important lessons. Some people talk about their success, pointing out how fast and easy the sales were. But others remind us that it's crucial to do careful checking and make informed choices. The positive stories often highlight how quickly the deals can close, with no repairs needed. Cash sales also give people peace of mind. On the other hand, warning stories stress the importance of researching cash buyers. It's also key to know your home's market value. Finally, having a lawyer can help avoid problems and ensure you get a fair deal. Success stories are common about California homeowners who have used cash buyers to reach their real estate goals. One example is a family who had to move because of a job. They were on a tight deadline, so they reached out to a reliable cash home buying company. In just days, the company visited their property, gave them a fair cash offer, and closed the deal in less than 2 weeks, all while ensuring that the current tenant was accommodated. This fast process helped them avoid the stress of a traditional sale. They did not have to make costly repairs and got a price that worked for them. In another case, a homeowner received a property that needed a lot of work. They did not have the time or money to fix it up, so they hired a local investor who buys distressed properties. The investor bought the home as it was, freeing the homeowner from the stress of repairs and allowing them to quickly settle the estate. Lessons from less favorable outcomes. Cash home buyers can make sales faster and easier, but not everything goes smoothly. Some homeowners wanting a quick sale take the first offer. They do this without fully knowing their home's market value or their home's value while looking at other options. This often leads to selling their home for less money than they could have if they used a traditional listing. These situations show why it is important to research well, get a professional appraisal, and look at multiple cash offers. including strategies like yard signs before deciding. In the end, knowing the details of the cash home buying market, asking for expert help when necessary, and carefully reviewing offers are vital. This approach helps you to navigate the process and reach the results you want. In conclusion, it is important to understand the details of working with cash home buyers in California for a smooth real estate transaction. There are benefits like a quick sale and no need for repairs. However, you should also consider challenges, such as receiving lower offers and addressing legal issues. Real-life experiences can help you make good decisions. If you want to learn more about this option, reach out to create a secure and easy selling experience. Your home's value and your peace of mind matter, so trust them to experienced professionals in the field. Frequently asked questions or the typical timelines for closing a deal with cash home buyers. Cash home buyers can close quickly, often completing deals in just 7 to 14 days. However, to get a higher price, the closing timeline may change based on how the buyer checks everything and any surprise problems with the title. Are there any upfront costs involved when dealing with cash home buyers? Reputable cash home buyers usually do not ask homeowners to pay any costs upfront. Their fees are generally included in their cash offer or taken out from the final sale price. This covers their services and expenses connected to the real estate deal. How do I verify the credibility of a cash home buyer? To verify if a cash buyer is legit, you should check their business credentials. Look at online reviews and ask for referrals from trusted sources. Like a real estate agent, having an attorney review the contract can help confirm everything is good. What should I do if I receive an unsatisfactorily low offer? Don't be afraid to suggest a different price that matches your property's market value. Getting an appraisal before you list or a market analysis from a realtor can help you negotiate better. I need to sell my house fast? Sell cash now. We buy house in any condition in California. There are no commissions or fees and no obligation whatsoever. Start below by giving us a bit of information about your property or call 209-691-0102. Call Click Cash Home Buyers today. Please like and subscribe.